Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some FSD testing from the park position. So I want to see how it's able to handle the entire drive. Alright, so we're looking at an 8-minute drive here. Maybe less. Let's see. Here we go. So ready? Let's go. All right, so starting from the park position, I had a few requests from a couple people in the comments, some subscribers, asking to shoot some of the videos from the park position to show how exactly Tesla is able to navigate itself to your destination. So here we go. Yeah, again, we're looking at a 5 or so minute drive here. Let's see, we got ourselves an interesting stoplight situation here. Tesla actually should pull up a little bit, so I'm gonna hit the accelerator myself and let's see if it'll go ahead and stop here. It did. Good job. Perfect. That's a weird intersection. There's like a little park back there, so they gave a little cut for people to make a left. So we will be taking some inside roads. Shouldn't take too long. I will be, letting FSD drive the entire way. Notice how even when the light's getting ready to change, it even detects the cars that are crossing, just in case someone's trying to catch a red light or isn't paying attention. FSD does a good job of being able to analyze the entire intersection. It's pretty incredible how it picks up that information just from the radars and, the cameras and sensors just from my car. Very impressive though. So here we go. We're going to continue the drive. We got about a 5-minute drive here. Looks like a yard sale going on out here. Nice. We are on some residential back roads, and we're going to the Best Buy in Dulles, Virginia over here. So far so good. We got cars parked on both right and left of the road. We are passing by an elementary school. So I love the way it's able to read the signs and know if you get a sudden, speed limit change, say from like 45 to like 35 or 25, it's able to read the signs and correctly adjust. Even if they put up some new signs, that sometimes they have like construction zones where they're working on, and during that time they'll change the speed limit. FSD is able to use both map data and the cameras to make the right judgment. So a lot of input going on here. You all recently heard about Starlink and T-Mobile. That's some great news for Tesla as well too. That will be affecting the connectivity for certain drop zones or whatever, so that's pretty exciting things. Looking forward to connectivity wise. So far so good. We're handling the navigation perfectly. We're handling FSD. Gas 385 over here. It looks like it went down. I haven't been to a gas station in so long. I'm afraid, like, once you go on vacation, unless you take the, like a road trip, I'm hoping to find a Tesla available to rent, because it's been so long since I've pumped gas. So I'm sure they're available. I heard Hertz has them. I got to check out pricing and stuff on that. But if you're making long trips, arguably you want to possibly pay $50 more or $100, you know, depending on how long for the electric car, because if you're driving a lot, gas prices could be pretty, you know, up there as well too. Real nice job on that right turn, by the way. We had a green arrow, so that's the reason why it didn't stop.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Woodland Road.
Let's see, we got someone passing with the bike in front of us and did a nice job by slowing down. That guy definitely had enough space, but I like how FSD was particularly cautious.
Now turn left onto Woodland Road.
So we have a yellow flashing light here, which means that we can yield and go ahead and make this left if FSD deems possible. So, okay, never mind. It changed to red. I was gonna say, because there was a ton of cars coming, this is gonna be interesting to watch. So far, 0 takeovers. We are looking at a 3-minute drive, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit like if you liked the video. I will be uploading a lot of more FSD content, as well as just Tesla related stuff. So news and whatnot, tips and tricks and how-tos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and share. If anyone has any misconceptions on Tesla or FSD and things, maybe looking to make a purchase before any price increases. Well done with the construction. Ooh, I got a nice alert there. It said, pay attention. But I like the way it was able to visualize all the construction back there. Nice day today too. I try to record most of my videos during the day so you guys could see as much, you know, outside as possible too, as well as what's going on inside the car with the screen and how the steering wheel works. Notice that I am not on the pedals at all. I'm not sure if you can see that, but so we're about to turn into the parking lot here in about less than a minute. So thank you guys again for watching this video. I'm gonna see how FSD arrives to our destination. So red light, we're gonna be making a right, so we need to actually yield. Looks like we should be good here. Alright, so next turn is the shopping center.
Turn right onto Dulles
You can see the
Eastern
automatic
Plaza.
lane change.
Now turn right onto Dulles Eastern Plaza.
So red light, so it did come to a full stop. Making a right into the
500
parking
feet,
lot.
Turn left to stay on Dulles Eastern Plaza. Then your destination will be on the right. Now
So-
turn left to stay on Dulles Eastern Plaza.
Here we are at our destination. FSD successfully brought me to Best Buy. So
Now your destination is on the right.
nice job. I'm gonna go ahead and take over and see if we can find some close parking. Usually not, but let's see if we can go ahead and test the auto park feature for the video here. So when you see that P pop up, just press it, shift to reverse, hit start, and let the magic happen. So pretty much entirely a autonomous drive from beginning to end. Really well done with that. You know, from park to park, as you can see, FSD got me to my destination. Really well done. So I gotta run into Best Buy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.